This video is a step-by-step guide to resetting the filter status and counter on a legacy ezH20 bottle filling station. Here are the tools you'll need to replace the filter and counter. Start by putting on safety glasses and cut-resistant gloves, as metal edges can be sharp or rough. Remove the top cover of the bottle filling station by unscrewing the two torque screws. At the top right, you'll find the program button. Depress this button for approximately 2 seconds until the display below changes, and release. The display will scroll through two messages: Reset Filter and Settings. When the display is on Reset Filter, depress the button again. When the display changes to show Filter Equals, depress the button again. The display will show Filter equals 0. The green LED will be illuminated to show the filter monitor has been reset. Replace the top cover of the bottle filling station and you're ready to go.